ये दाग दाग उजाला ये शब कजीदा सहर, ये दाग दाग उजाला ये शब कजीदा सहर, वो इंतजार था जिसका ये वो सहर तो नहीं. The शेर is from Subh Azadi, a nazm written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz, and he says that the traumatized light of the bruised morning after a long night, this traumatized light of the bruised morning after a long night, this is not the dawn we waited for. This is not our light. The poetry of Faiz Ahmad Faiz is extremely sophisticated and is laced with symbolism, analogies and imageries that are so hard-hitting. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, poet and an author, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu poetry. Khuda Hafiz.